Most investors and traders are terrified of stock market crashes. Can you blame them? No one likes to lose money. Even though every crash has a different cause, they are all the same. They all feel like this time it really is the end of the world. However, as a long-term investor with a time horizon of 5 years or longer, you should never panic during a systemic sell-off. You should love them. Every investor's natural instinct is to sell all of their positions as quickly as possible to avoid losing money. But that's the wrong decision. If you haven't taken profits before the crash starts, you're already too late. Instead, you should add to your positions during a sell-off. Since the entire stock market is selling off, that means you don't need to worry about a stock-specific story. Every stock is on sale. However, since I don't know how long the sell-off will go, every buy I make is a small one, with me keeping cash on the sidelines in case the sell-off continues. Stock market crashes are never fun, but if you learn to love them instead of fear them, you will profit in the long term by adding to your positions at discount prices.